Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're just following on from my previous video where I did the first mow. So after I did that, I just went over the lawn and added a bit more seed to any spots where it looked a bit thin, and then I just sprinkled a bit of soil over top of that and then gave it a good watering. And then here is some footage of just the next day, just giving it another water. And then here's some more mowing footage. So this mow is the second mow on the lawn, which is 3 days after the first one. So this is just some footage from that mow, and I decided to use the catcher as well this time. But you guys can see the lawn start to thicken up quite quickly once it starts getting cut. So I'll leave you guys with this footage here, and then towards the end of the video I've just got another clip of another mow which I did a couple of days after this one. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below, and if you enjoy the video, please give it the thumbs up. It's much appreciated. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.